Okay, so if you want to install a dishwasher, this is what you do. What you don't want to do is point the nail gun at your head and pull the trigger. Because bad things might happen. Okay. So, plug it into the air gun. Check it. Oh, we don't need these long fuckers. No, we need the short fuckers. Where are the short fuckers? There we go. Okay. Here's the short. These, see? Short fuckers. Okay. Because you don't want to run through and have your fingers in the back of yeah. And you gotta go to the hospital. Okay, so where's my back here? I'm gonna put a block, backer block right here. I don't know if you can see it or not, but you know. Okay. Let's staple it. We're gonna go ahead and nail the shit out of it. Okay. There we go. Now, let's check it. It's level. Up it's a little daisy, just a little, right? Okay. Okay, we're looking pretty good. Let's take a little measurement here. Okay, here we go, folks. Thanks. Next thing, we'll be installing the dishwasher. Oh, I see. I was Fire Marshal Bill before. Now I don't even know who the fuck I am. All right. Talk to you later.